name is Kaylee.
And I'm Javian.
And welcome to Pumpkin Patch Playhouse!
Alright guys, today we're going to be trying out some super cool candies. And we're also making our very own do-it-yourself surprise boxes and surprise balls. Candy. So which one should we open first?
I want the burger.
And I want to open the fries. I got the strawberry spray.
Let's get this open. Let's get this open. Opening it. I'm opening it.
I'm opening it. Let's go.
Burger.
Whoa, this is cool.
I really just want to eat this.
Me too.
Can we go to McDonald's?
Do you think this is salty?
Nah, it's just candy, Javian.
I'm ready to try this.
It's my turn.
This is good. Really sour.
Look, Javian, my tongue is blue. You know what I like about this is that we can use this in our toy kitchen.
Yeah.
Can I taste it? Can I taste it? Can I taste it? Can I taste it? Ew, ew, ew. Your germs are on
Let me taste yours.
it. No!
Yeah.
It has my Spittles on it.
Ew. No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It's literally a pop.
Ew.
Ugh. Push poppin' time. So, which one do you want, Jave?
I want Chucky.
Fine. I want Tommy.
Okay.
Deal. Look, guys. His head opens, and in mine is a strawberry
Oh no!
flavor.
His head opened! I killed him! Oh no! Oh.
Oh,
I
okay.
got his face back together.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors on who gets Angelica.
Fine. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Dang it.
Angelica.
I really wanted the water.
You kind of look like Chucky because of your glasses. You know that, right?
Yeah. Time to make some surprises.
Surprises are in my mom's purse. Oh yeah, it's a keyblade. So there you have it, guys. Here are surprise balls and our surprise boxes.
I really hope our parents did a good job wrapping these.
Me too.
Let the unwrapping begin.
I'm so excited to open this.
I can't wait to open mine.
Oh my gosh, it's a blue scrunchie. I wonder where it's from, but I can't wait to put this in my hair.
It looks cool, Kaylee.
Thanks. And then I got a purple trolley candy. This is my favorite. I wonder what you got.
Yeah, me too. Whoa.
What'd you get?
I got a yellow Nerf gun bullet.
That's so cool.
Ooh, I got 3 of them. Oh, I got a Durburger pin. Ooh, I got a Venom tattoo.
That's so cool. I can't open it. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's a purse. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, I got 2 tattoos. This is Applejack, and this is Rainbow Dash and Twilight Sparkle. I'm excited to put those on.
Wait, what is it from?
It's My Little Pony.
Oh, I forgot.
And
Sorry.
another of my favorite candies. Ooh. It's Flounder.
Wow.
It's from Ariel.
That's so cool. Okay, time to open another one.
Ooh, I wonder what it is.
Yeah. Whoa, I got a trolley candy.
That's cool.
Ooh, and I got a butterfly sticky thing.
That's cool too.
I got a tattoo of Spider-Woman. Yeah, Spider-Woman.
That's cool. Oh, I'm excited.
Oh my god, we opened so many of them. What is this one gonna be?
I don't even know. I'm excited. Ooh. Here we go. Another of my favorite candies.
Lucky. Dang, I only got 1.
Oh, I'm stuck. Got. I'm excited. Ooh.
I bet it's a candy.
Nope. It's a lip gloss of Anna from Frozen.
Oh, I thought it was a candy or a chocolate.
And I got a Twilight Sparkle tattoo. Ooh, I'm excited to see what you got.
Me too. Ooh, I got a Hot Wheels taco car. Oh, I just want to eat it. Ooh, I also got a chocolate Milky Way. I got a Spider-Man tattoo.
I wonder who taped this one. Looks like Daddy taped it.
You don't know. Could have been Mommy too.
Yeah, I think it was Daddy because Daddy's really bad at putting stuff together and packaging stuff.
That's true.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Ooh.
There's a red donut inside with some sprinkles on it. And then another of my favorite candies.
What?
And then...
But you didn't get a Milky Way.
It's okay. I didn't want one. I got a cheetah printed scrunchie with an LOL doll on it.
Another scrunchie?
Yeah.
Ooh. I got a Pinkie Pie. I don't know what the name is. I don't watch the show a lot, guys. But it's okay. Oh, I got a trolley candy. Let's go. Finally.
Lucky. It's okay. I got more than you.
Oh, and I got another pin. This pin is from Fortnite.
Me and Javian like to play that a lot.
Yeah, it's fun.
You got a scrunchie?
Got a scrunchie?
Lucky! It matches your shirt, Javian.
Thanks. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, this is for girls. Here you go.
Thank you.
Your turn.
And this one.
Whoa.
What in the world?
What in the flim flam?
The heck's tape was good. It's a a burger cat. I thought it was a burrito cat. A cheeseburger
It's obviously
cat.
not a
And
Burrito.
it says, hold the pickles, please.
I got another Fortnite pin, and it's Tomato Head. I got a Spider-Man tattoo, another one.
Oh.
And I gotta open this. See what it is. I got a Nerf ball. No way. I always wanted this. Let me see if it squeezes.
And this is my last one. I'm so sad. I want more.
Don't worry, I got a last one too.
Ooh. It's pink. Ooh.
Didn't kill me, soda.
Look at this pink slime. Ooh.
Ooh, can I see it?
Smells like bubble
Can
gum.
I see it?
No. Smells like
Can I
bubble
smell
gum.
it? So.
It smells really good.
Yeah. Okay, this is my last one. Come on, why does it have to be my last one?
It's okay. I already opened my last one. And it's Let's open this up.
It's a red Sour Patch Kid lip balm. Oh my god. Even though lip balm is mostly for girls, it's okay.
Boys can use lip balm too.
Well, it's mostly for girls.
No, I don't think so. A lot of boys use lip
Let's
balm.
see how it tastes.
Especially you, because you got some chapped lips, Javian.
Yeah.
But wait, that wasn't your last surprise ball. I have one more. It's extra special.
What?